So this is what a McDonald's run is looking like in New York City right now. What's up, Dream Team? It's your boy Christian. They have to crazy out here. You can't see nada. Hold on, let me show you. It's quite beautiful it is.
That Louis, that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada.
Yeah.
You looking too bad, although we got a problem. Girl, hold my phone and give me your number.
Hello?
That ass is too fat, it makes a nigga wonder.
You wanna see the dead body?
What's going on in those sheets? Ass like a movie and I'm watching every scene.
Crazy out here.
Saying too much, that's what we
Welcome
don't
to New
do.
York. Motherfuckers. I'm sorry. Welcome.
Yeah, she bad, she know it. Got cash that to show it. Deals with the past like a pro. Ice on her, stay frozen. Yeah, she a player.
Welcome to New York, guys.
Too much, never give it too
Oh, it's crazy out here.
She a player. I know you a player, don't need a friend.
My bad.
She a player.
Oh, man. You look good? You look right? Yeah.
She a player.
You about to get hit by the damn bus.
So, Dream Team, it is 2008 Mother effing team. And me and some team are playing on. See how the It's cold as heck out here.
Oh, it's trying not to fall.
So, yeah. We planning on giving y'all a lot of reaction videos. I know y'all like looking at us like y'all haven't been around in like 800 years. So we got y'all. We got y'all. Let me turn the camera around so you know it's real. Hold on. Hold on, where's it?
Yeah, bad,
Take a
she know
picture.
it.
Take that right
Got
now.
cash that to show it.
We got y'all.
Deals with the past like a pro.
My bad, baby.
Ice on
My
her,
bad.
stay frozen.
It's real out here. Look at this.
She a player. Never saying too much, never giving too much.
But we got y'all.
She a player. I know you a player, don't need
We're gonna be giving out reaction videos. Reaction after reaction after reaction. Look up what you see up there. A reaction video. Holla at me. Woo.
She a player.
Just wanted to tell you that we love y'all. Feel me? Appreciate all 12,000 of y'all. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Not helping me.
Looking like an Eskimo, huh? Alright, take the arm, baby. Take the arm. Take the wing. See this wing? It's a tree right there. Go up there. Oh shit, I can't even see nothing.
Is that our garbage?
Just keep walking like we ain't shit.
I'm trying to look down.
Huh? Alright, so. Is it?
Know about that life.
Alright. Come on, we keep walking for.
I see something, I want something, I get something.
Oh, that's not our house. That's not where we live. Ooh. Oops. Why you do me like that? Is us? Yeah. Crazy out here. That's dusty. Bad Day Daddy. Alright guys, so hope y'all 2018 is just as great as I was started. Love you guys. We're gonna hit your reaction videos like we always say. Let them know, baby.
Alright.
Love, sex, and patience. Holla.